Hello, good morning. Take a look at the present question. So we are given a set which is A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to 10. 10 is also there. And a function f from A to A, and also another function which is G, and it is also from A to A. Remember, it is only called function if all elements of A must be have some images. Okay, keep in your mind, this is very important thing. Otherwise, you are unable to solve this question. Okay, and look at the definition of the given function f of x. F of x was defined as k+1 if k is odd, and for k is even. Let us try to draw a diagram which will indicate the function f, and later on we will draw a diagram for g also. Okay, and one restriction is also mentioned here. This is a restriction. We must satisfy that. Along with that, we have to solve the question. So total elements for set A are 10. So I am giving a detailed solution because I already made a video on this same problem. Of course, it was around 2 minutes time. I think students will understand, but most of are commenting that it is a moderate solution like that. So that's why I'm giving a detailed solution for this same question. Okay, these are the f from A to A. This is f from A to A. And how it was defined? Look at this. If k is odd, look at this. For example, take k value 1, which is odd number. Which is odd number. Odd number definition was k+1. So that 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. If it is even, input is even, then directly you can connect with k only, same number. So that means 2 is 2. 3 is 4 in the same way. 4 is 4. 5 is 6. 6 is 6. 7 is 8. And 8 is also 8. 9 is 10 and also 10 is 10 because it is even. 10 is even. Okay. So we will write the values also. So for f of 1, it is 2 and it is same as f of 2. F of 3 is 4 and it is same as f of 4. And f of 5 is 6 and same as 6. And f of 7 is 8 and it is same as 8. And f of 9, which is 10, and of course it is 10. Okay, this is the configuration. This is the assigning elements, domain and range. Therefore, range of f is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, this is f. Now get back to the question and take a look at the g function. G is also assigned like restriction was given. What is the restriction? Restriction, it must satisfy g of f of x is equal to f of x. G of f of x is equal to f of x. But we know that the values of f of x are, if you look the above diagram, you can have the range values 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So that means you will directly get g of 2 is equal to 2 and g of 4 is equal to 4. G of 5 is equal to, sorry, not 5, I think it is 6, right? Only even values are assigned. G of 6 is equal to 6 and G of 8 is equal to 8 and G of 10 is equal to 10. Okay? Because f has only these values are taking, right? So therefore we will make a diagram also for this G. G is also defined as A to A. G is also defined. Remember, this is restriction. Okay, this is a restriction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And what are the inputs for G of 2? It was restricted already. It was restricted that G of 2 must be 2. G of 4 must be 4. G of 6 must be 6. This was the restriction. There is no choices for these elements. So number of choices which satisfies the given condition, which satisfied along a given condition. What is the condition? The condition is G of f of x is equal to f of x. This is the condition. Okay. Those are for 2, for the element 2. Okay, I will go with step by step. Okay. So let us first, we will select the element 1. For one element, how many choices are there? 10 choices. Of course, you can write 10C1. Out of 10, it has to select one element out of the codomain A. Any 10 elements, it can select this one. Okay. So that's why 10C for the element 1, it has 10 choices. Okay. For the element 2, you already seen that for the element 2, it was restricted by the given condition. So that's why it has only one assignment, only one connection, that is 2 to 2 only. There is no choices for 2. Okay. Understood. Go to the next element 3. For 3 element, it has again 10 choices available in the codomain A. It can assign or it can take as its image. Okay, right? In 10C1 ways. In the now you understood that the procedure, how it was moving. So next for 4, it was 4 only. For 4, it is 4 only. And next for 5, there again 10 choices are available for 5. Okay. And remember, it is a function. G is a function. Remember, every element must, I already told you in the starting. It is a function. They said it is a function. That means each domain element must have a connection with the codomain of G, function G. Okay. So now the procedure continues, and for the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, for 6 element, it was only one choice. For the element 7, it has 10 choices. For element 8, it has only one. For element 9, it has 10 choices available. Any one, it will select only one. Why only one? If you select 2 elements for any domain element, it cannot be called as a function. Okay. Next, for 9, for 10, it is only one choice. So if you multiply, because this is the entire process according to multiplication rule in permutation combination, we should multiply up to the completion of the procedure, we should multiply all those things. Okay. So how many 10C1 means, 10, 1, 10, 10, of course, 10 5s and the remaining ones. Okay. So that's why we got the answer 10 power 5. I hope you understood this solution, and if you understand it, please share it with your friends. Please do subscribe, give a comment, like, and enable bell notification, because nowadays I am doing advanced problems. Please check, I made a playlist also, advanced PYQ, with that name. Please check it and watch it and share with your friends who need it, this kind of explanation. Thank you very much.